In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Jira issues to Excel. If you've ever tried to pull backlog items, sprint logs, or issue data out of Jira and into a spreadsheet, you already know how frustrating it can feel when the export option isn't immediately obvious. Instead of wasting time copying and pasting rows by hand, we're going to use Jira's built-in tools to export your data cleanly and efficiently. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira workspace through your company's Atlassian site or through the standard Atlassian login page using your own secure credentials. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, look across the top navigation area and click Filters. From there, either choose an existing saved filter that already contains the issues you want, or open Advanced Issue Search to build your own results view. This takes you into Jira's Advanced Issue Navigator, which is where you can control exactly what appears in your export. At the top, you'll see search and filtering tools above the issue list. You can use the visible filter options, or if you're comfortable with it, enter a JQL query to narrow the results to the project, sprint, or issue set you need. This step matters because whatever you load here will shape the data you send to Excel. Once your filtered issue list is on screen, move to the upper right area of the page. Near the View options, you should see the Export button. Go ahead and click it to open the Export menu. In that menu, choose the format that best matches your needs. If you only want the columns currently visible in your issue layout, select Export Excel CSV My Fields. If you need a more complete dataset with all available fields, choose Export Excel CSV All Fields. The first option is usually better for quick reporting, while the second is useful when you want deeper analysis later. If your organization supports it, there may also be a shortcut called Open with Excel, sometimes shown with Cloud Spreadsheet options. Selecting that can send your Jira data directly into a connected spreadsheet environment, which is helpful if you want a smoother cloud-based workflow without downloading a file manually. If you used the CSV export option, wait for the file to download, then open it in Microsoft Excel. Before you start analyzing anything, take a moment to review the sheet carefully. Check that your issue keys, summaries, sprint estimates, and dates appear in the correct columns, and that the formatting looks clean and consistent. A quick validation now can save you from mistakes in reports later. That's it. You now know how to filter, export, and verify Jira issue data in Excel, so your reporting workflow is faster, cleaner, and much easier to manage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.